Let's go in and set program A so that zones or stations 1 and 2 run for 10 minutes and zones 3 through 8 are all turned off. In the screen, the 1 is blinking, indicating that station or zone number 1 is what we're working with. We're going to increase to 10 minutes for zone number 1. We'll move to zone number 2 by hitting next. We'll increase to 10 minutes by pressing the plus button. Now moving to station 3, it's currently programmed for 6 minutes. We'll turn it off by simultaneously pressing the plus and minus or on and off button for a few seconds until it toggles that zone to off. Now zone 3 is turned off. And zones 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are all off. If we click beyond station or zone 8, we get to an M. M stands for master valve. If your system has a master valve, you'll want to turn on your master valve here. If you need to turn it off, press the plus or minus to toggle to off. Then click next. Program A is now set. To schedule programs B and C, simply press the program button. Indicators will show program B here, and you can go through the same programming that we discussed for program A.